While MRF leads the list of pricey stocks in India, there are stocks globally with stratospheric prices. Let's take a look. Top of the charts, Berkshire Hathaway, led by the iconic Warren Buffett. It's at 4 crore 19 lakh rupees. Next is 178-year-old Swiss chocolatier Lindt, whose shares are at a whopping 1 crore 3 lakh rupees each. British clothing major Next, also on the list, with shares trading at more than 6.5 lakh rupees. Meanwhile, construction major NVR, agri and transportation conglomerate Seaboard, travel planner Booking also high up on that list there. Shares of AutoZone and restaurant chain Chipotle, as well as insurance major White Mountains, are between 1 and 2 lakh rupees. Benchmark indices closing higher now for a second session, the Nifty ending above 18,700. Earlier, while markets opened in the green, tracking positive global cues as well as a good start on the back of CPI inflation and IIP numbers released on Monday, the mid-cap and small-cap indices on the NSE hit their lifetime highs during trade. Sensex was up over 400 points today, Nifty up over 100 points. Top gainers, Tata Consumer, Cipla, ITC, Titan and Asian Paints. On the flip side, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, HCL Tech, M&M lagging behind somewhat. It could be a very challenging year for economic policy makers, with monsoon likely to play hooky this season. Private weather forecaster SkyMet has warned of a parched heartland in the grain bowls of India. A warning, if it comes true, could be devastating for the agri and rural economies of the country. Business Today TV managing editor Siddharth Zarabi spoke with two eminent economists, Shaugata Bhattacharya, Chief Economist Axis Bank, and Siraj Hussain, former Agricultural Secretary, to gauge the impact of a truant monsoon.
It's been delayed by 1 week. Kerala usual date is the 1st of June. It started on the 8th of June. And the extended range prediction system, ERPS, of SkyMet is predicting a dismal outlook. What's your own sense, given your vast experience of tracking the monsoon showers, sir?
You see, from the very beginning, it was clear that this year El Nino effect is going to have an impact on the monsoon rainfall in India. And the first forecast of both IMD and SkyMet reflected that. Then the IMD's second forecast came, which sort of projected a better monsoon, some kind of normal monsoon, which was a little surprising. So I wrote an article for Deccan Herald in which I explained the IMD's forecast, because I thought that despite all the experience and knowledge gained by IMD, the monsoon science is still not perfect, and therefore sometimes the predictions can go wrong. In case of short-term predictions like the one which has been issued by SkyMet today, we can believe that it is going to be more reliable. So I think for the next few days we should prepare for shortfall in rains. However, for the longer term, my own sense is that despite the IMD's forecast, we should prepare for shortfall in rains due to the impact of El Nino.